Welcome to Aryavardhan YouTube channel, English video lessons for the beginners. Students, in today's class, we are going to practice EA as a E sound. E. Long vowel sound. E. Here you can see EA. E. TEA. T. T, east, teacher, seat, meal, view, dream, team, read, beans, see, tea, teach, teacher, cheese, breeze, week, teak, leak, peak, beak, least, east, feast, eat, heat, wheat, meat, cheat, least, seat, beat, meal, deal, steal, seal, peel, lean, mean, clean, preach, teach, reach, leech, read, bead, lead, leader, team, dream, steam, cream, please, tease, lease, increase. Though here S, but its pronunciation is Z. Please, tease, lease, increase.
Eat,
EAT.
eat, eat,
EA, eat, eat. PEA, peak, peak. DREA, dream, dream. REA, read, read. Eat, peak, dream, read. STREA, stream, stream. Students, let's listen.
eat, east, team, teach, teacher,
Eat, week. Eat, east, eagle, beach, bead, beak. Here BEA, beach, beach, BEA, bead, bead, beak, beam, beans, beast, beat, bleach, breach, breathe, seize, cheat, cheap, clean, creek, cream, crease, dean, dream, ease, feast, freak, glean, grease, heel, heap, heat, leech. Here LEA, leech, leech, lead, leaf, leak, leap, lean, leash, least, leat, leave. MEA, meal, mean, meat, peace, peak, peel, please, ream, read, REA, and read, reach, ream, reap, SEA, see, seal, seat, seam, sleaze, steel, steam, stream, TEA, teach, teak, team, tease, treat, tweak, weak, wheel, wield, wean, weave, wheat, east, Jeel, preach. Students, let's listen.
teacher reads, wheat and meat, He is a teacher. Teacher reads. Wheat and meat. He is a teacher.
So let's practice this one. Teacher teaches. Teacher reads. Wheat and meat. Tea and meal. He is a teacher. She is a teacher. He is a leader. She is a leader. This is an eagle. That is an eagle. Man drinks tea. Teacher drinks tea. It is a back seat. Tank has a leak. Gas leak. This is a meal. That is a meal. Meat and beans. Seat and meat. A steamer. Beans are in the jar. Pigs are in the stream. Six beans in the meals. Ship is at the sea. Tea is in the glass. Fish is in the meal. Leader is in the last seat. This is a steamship. That is a steamship. It is a tea. This is a big seat. That is a big seat. So students, till now we have practiced EA as a E sound. So for English handbook for the beginners, this book is available. You can contact for above numbers, and please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.